Extrude is the most basic method to create solid geometry. The term extrude is a manufacturing process and something you're probably already familiar with. Chances are you or one of your friends had the Play-Doh kit where you could squish the Play-Doh through the holes to make the spaghetti-looking strings. That is exactly how Extrude works. The concept is that you define two-dimensional sketch and then assign a thickness. Look at this simple block. To create this shape, we need to make a rectangle and then assign a thickness to it. In SolidWorks, start a new part and make sure your units are set to IPS in the status bar. You can start sketches on any of the three principal planes. Those planes are front, top, and right. I will start by selecting the front plane. Notice the toolbar that appears by my pointer. Here I can click New Sketch. Now we need to define the rectangular shape. I use the line tool and start directly on the origin point. I will continue to add all the line segments needed to close the rectangle. I'm not worried about the sizes at this point, so just get the shape right. As you sketch, watch for the symbols by your cursor. You will want to automatically add these vertical and horizontal relations, but we'll get into that more later. Now that my rectangle is complete, I will finish the sketch and pick the Extrude tool. Note that you can simply pick the Extrude tool, and SolidWorks will automatically finish the sketch. Notice you can change the side of the plane to add the material by dragging the arrow or selecting the flip button. Usually it's a good idea to keep planes in the center of your part. In this case, I will use the mid-plane direction and type 1 inch. When you select the green check mark, your block is finished. What is really nice about parametric solid modeling is that everything is easy to adjust. You select the new Boss Extrude feature in your feature manager and choose to edit it, changing the thickness to 2 inches. If you want to change the shape, you will need to edit the sketch and make the modifications to your lines. Take a look at this block with a hole in it. We will create another part and use the same tools as before. This time, our sketch will include a circle for the hole. Start a new part and confirm your units of measure. Start a sketch on the front plane. Use lines to create a rectangle. Add a circle inside of your rectangle. Extrude 1 inch using the mid-plane direction. Look at this type of part. What should your sketch look like? Hopefully you're thinking a circle. Start a new part and confirm your units of measure. Start a sketch on the front plane. Use a circle, and I will keep the center point directly on the origin. Finish the sketch and extrude the part using 6-inch mid-plane direction. We can build complex shapes by combining features. Look at this part. In this case, we will need to make 3 separate features. Can you see them? We have the L shape, the solid cylinder, and the hole. Start a new part and confirm your units of measure. Start a new sketch on the front plane. Add lines to create the L shape. Extrude that sketch 1 inch in the direction away from you. Select the nearest face of the L shape and start a new sketch. Add a circle and extrude it 1 inch in the direction toward you. Select the nearest face of the cylinder and start a new sketch. Sketch another circle. In this case, I will add the concentric relation. This means the 2 circles will always share the same center point. Pick your new circle, press the Control key, and pick the outer edge of the cylinder. When you release the Control key, the Relations toolbar will appear. Pick concentric. It looks like a donut. Finish the sketch, but this time select Extrude Cut. Set the direction to through all. This will cut the hole through the entire part. These basic concepts should help you create the first several parts in this class. If you have questions, please send me an email.